Dallas, Texas, man. Out here getting us some peace and harmony, man, and nature. I encourage everybody to get out here in this nature, man, and enjoy yourself. It's a beautiful spring day out here in Dallas, Texas. Oh, y'all can see the breeze, man. It's lovely. It feels like about 69 degrees out here. Oh, you want 70, and it feels great. So I decided to come out here to the Trinity River and just walk around on the trails. Got a lot of trails. If you like bike riding and stuff like that, Dallas, I encourage you to get out here to the trails that they got along the Trinity River, and you'll be able to enjoy yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that bell. Like the video. You know what I'm saying? On a mission to 1,000 subs, and y'all can help me with that by clicking that button. You know what I'm talking about? And anybody that come into the room, just want to welcome you to the Nucleus Marketing Agency. We exist for ethno aggregation, being the center of growth. That's what we're about. So I'm just out here at the park. I'm gonna walk the trail in a minute, man, and y'all see what it's like out here. It's beautiful out here, man. So get out, get with it, all that. We're gonna walk. Oh yeah, check out the shirt too. See the entrepreneur with the shirt on. Like yo, let me get one. Unity in Dallas. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Habitat means snakes. Ah, how y'all doing today, man? I hope y'all doing well. Shout out to all my peoples. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Yeah, it's one of the trails amongst the Trinity River. We're off of the Great Trinity Forest corridor. What's up, fellas? How y'all doing, man? Yeah, man. Look at the forest, man. This was all the forest at one point in time, man. Yeah, man. It's beautiful. A lot of wildlife come out here and can see why. Check that out. Yo, y'all tell me what kind of spot is this? Oh man, I made him drop his food. My bad, bro. I ain't gonna get your food back, bro. Y'all tell me what kind of spot is that though? That'll take you somewhere. That path seldom traveled. I'm spin it around because this is a trail that connects to other trails as well. But this was refreshing. I'm glad y'all enjoying this too. Like, share, subscribe. So I bring y'all all kind of content on this channel. What up, y'all? What up? What up? Thank y'all for jumping in. If anybody checked into the live, appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at that beautiful water. Trees take away stress, yo. Butterfly, beautiful butterfly. Right here in the heart of Dallas, right here, man. This is a trail on the Trinity River. All you got to do is come down Great Trinity Forest. Right next to this is a golf course. They did the Byron Nelson Challenge. There's a golf course right over here. This was once that golf course was a landmass at one point, and then it was some community leaders that was gonna sue the city if they didn't do anything. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. They was gonna sue the city if they didn't do anything with it, so they end up turning it into a golf course. It's part of that Grow South Dallas initiative that they've been pushing here. What's up, brother? What up, bro? Oh, yeah.
Funny, I bring that shoe on my workout. I was like,
yeah, man.
I kept trying to look. You listen to music and
nah, man, I'm on the live and shit.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll get back with you if I'm on the walk.
In a minute, bro. Heck yeah. That's how we do it out here. Running into our old friends, man. Boy, I told you I'll be out here, man. You never know who you might run into, man, when you out here in Dallas, man. Dallas is a beautiful city, man. If you haven't been to Dallas, I encourage you to come. As a matter of fact, a lot of people moved in here. It's a big migration, man, to the state of Texas, man. If anything, the South, man. The South always been like a hotbed, though, for good living, though. Always, because you got Native Black Americans, man, always putting it down, built this nation. And, from everything else that culminate with it, you get exquisitry. Heck yeah. So shout out to all the people that made their mark and passed on the legacy. Over to you. Look at this beautiful greenery, man. If y'all can't find beauty in that, man, look at that. Gotta appreciate Yahweh, man, for his fine work of art. Got people out here fishing. Nothing brings together people like water, man. Yeah. Ooh, that beautiful sunshine, the clouds. I tell you, man, this is a wonderful day, y'all. Man, I hope y'all get some good catches today. So I hope y'all get some good catches. Oh, with some on the other side too. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say that for another venue, but as you can see, Dallas Parks and Recreation. You know, come on out here, get some of this good energy you get when you off in the nature land. You know what I'm saying? It's good energy. I ain't lying when I told you it's right off of Great Trinity Forest Way. It's Great Trinity Forest right here. Man, I think that's it. That's it, y'all. I'm signing off, man. I'm out chill. Thank y'all for watching the live. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nucleus Marketing Agency, LLC, and join the conglomerate, yo. And that's how we do it. I'm going to continue to bring you more popping lives from all kind of angles. You know what I'm talking about? Until we meet again, my friend. Be good out here.